Goodwill brings to you the post-market update dated January 4, 2023. The Indian benchmark indices fell 1% on January 4 with the Nifty below 18,100 amid selling across the sectors, as the investors remained cautious ahead of the outcome of FOMC minutes and U.S. manufacturing PMI data later tonight. At close, the Sensex was down 636.75 points or 1.04% at 60,657.45. BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices are down nearly 1% each. On the stock-specific front, Divis Labs, HDFC Life, and Maruti Suzuki were among the biggest Nifty gainers with a change of percent up to 1.25. On the flip side, JSW Steel, Hindalco, and Coal India were among the top drags, down up to 4.12%. Among sectors, the Nifty Metal Index shed 2%, the PSU Bank Index fell 1.8%, the Nifty Energy Index declined 1.5%, while the Nifty Bank, Information Technology and Infra indices were down 1% each. For the development in the corporate segment, we have San Diego-based General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, a subsidiary of General Atomics, said its partnership with Bharat Forge Limited will result in significant capability building for both companies and provide an impetus to the Indian large unmanned aircraft industry. In a move that is expected to help India develop a manufacturing ecosystem for high-end drones, a top U.S. drone manufacturer has announced a partnership to manufacture main landing gear components and assemblies of remotely piloted aircraft in the country. San Diego-based General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, a subsidiary of General Atomics, said its partnership with Bharat Forge Ltd. Will result in significant capability building for both companies and provide an impetus to the Indian large unmanned aircraft industry. Reliance Consumer Products, the FMCG arm of Reliance Retail Ventures, has announced that it will acquire a 50% stake in Gujarat-based Socio Hajori Beverages. The Hajori family, who are the existing promoters, will continue to own the remaining stake in the 100-year-old beverage company. With this joint venture, Reliance will further strengthen its portfolio in the beverage segment, having already acquired the iconic brand Campa. In addition, Socio's expertise in formulations can be leveraged to develop unique value propositions for the product portfolio and consumers. Shares of Orient Cement moved higher by 12% to 148.70 rupees on the BSE in Wednesday's intraday trade on the back of heavy volumes in an otherwise weak market. In the past 2 days, the stock of CK Birla Group Cement and Cement Products Company has rallied 21% amid report of Adani Group buying promoter stake in the company. The company, on its part, however, has clarified that it is not privy to any such discussion, and therefore cannot comment on the same. The highest bidder for Reliance Capital, TORRENT Group, received an interim relief from the National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bench, which asked the lenders to keep Hinduja Group's post-auction offer in abeyance till the next hearing. The Torrent, which offered 8,640 rupees crore for Reliance Capital, had asked the lenders not to entertain Hinduja's post-auction offer of 9,000 rupees crore, as accepting late offers would defeat the entire challenge process. During the auction, Hinduja made an offer of 8,110 rupees crore, but raised it to 9,000 rupees crore and offered 100% upfront cash to the lenders. Shares of EQUITAS Small Finance Bank hit a 52-week high of 63.90 rupees as they rallied 7% on the BSE in Wednesday's intraday trades after the Reserve Bank India approved SBI Funds Management Limited plan to acquire up to 9.99% of the paid-up equity capital of the bank through the schemes of SBI Mutual Fund. TBS Electronics in daily timeframe traded around 352.35 points with a change of 19.99% and with a net volume of around 2.079 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 290.1, which is a good indication for the stock. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 56.28, which is above the RSI benchmark of 50, indicating it's an overbought region. Eurotex Industries in daily timeframe traded around 13.35 points with a change of 9.88% and with a net volume of around 6.58 thousand shares. The share price is trading higher than its moving average 11.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 62.62. HP Adhesives Limited in daily timeframe traded around 406.9 points with a change of 6.83% and with a net volume of around 1.217 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 377.3, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 47.09, which indicates the share price is still in oversold region. For the stock recommendation, we have Confin Homes, which could outperform in the near term as and when the announcement of its new MD/CEO happens. On monthly time frame, the buying level would be at 545 points, stop loss at 512 points with a target price of 625 rupees. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.